Hello guys, you want to take your website to the next level? Today I'm going to show you how you can turn your website into a mobile app for both Android and iOS. Yes, you heard me right. So I'm going to walk you through step by step how I did this. Okay, now as you can see, this is my web hosting platform and I have created a mobile app for this platform. So you can see here, you can even post or publish your app into the Play Store or Apple Store. Now, when you come here, we have download Android app. You can download it if you are using your phone, okay? And you can install it on your phone. And let me walk you through how I was able to design this mobile app. First of all, let me open a new tab and let's go to this website, median.co. The link is below this video, so click enter. The link is below this video. So just go to this website. You can create an account if you want, but straight away we can go to create new app. Okay, now I'm going to use a website that I'm already working on. The name of the website is thankyouLordSports.com. Okay, it's a new website. I'm still working on this website. Okay, so I'm going to, through this video, I'm going to show you how to create this mobile app. It's still loading. So first, I think my internet is slow. Now let me copy the link first and let's go here. And here I have to enter the website link or the URL. So I will delete this and paste it here. Okay, let me remove the hash here, and the it will fetch the website name. Yeah. Now this is the website name, but this is not the name. Okay, so I will just delete it, or I will remove all these parts from here and have Thank You Lord Interchurch Sports Activities. That's the name of this website. I can add my email here as admin@cloudhostgh.com. After that, I can just go to start building my app. This straight away is easy to do and you love it, don't worry. Okay, so this is a website. Let's look around first. I'm still working on this website. I'm not done. It's very simple and beautiful. It belongs to a church. They normally organize sports activities for churches in Belgium. Okay, yes. So I made this website for them, and as you can see, it's very simple and beautiful website. Okay, good. So this is a website. Okay, good. So let's go back here. Let's just continue what we are doing right now. So here, this is the logo. It's okay. I don't want to change it. Okay, it will be an app icon. So when you install this app on your phone, you see this icon. Okay, good. Now let's go down here, and this one is okay by default. Everything here is okay, and let's go down here to is okay. This is what we are going to change. That is primary color. The primary color is not this one, so I'm going to get a primary color from the website, and that is, I will use the red. So let me click that and copy the red color. So I'll go back here and change it. Paste. Okay, good. Here too, I will also use the same red color for both light mode and then dark mode. Okay, let's go down. Yes, that is all that you need for now. That is all. The rest of settings by default is okay. So straight away, let me click save first, and I don't need to go to any of these pages. Straight away, I can go to build and download the app. So I have my app here. I have to go to build all. So it is going to build the app based on the settings that we have added. Okay, it's now building the app, and not only Android, both iOS and Android. Okay, and we will get AAB for the Android so that we can publish it into App Store. So don't worry, you will love it. Okay, I've done it. I've installed it on my phone, and I'm going to show you after this tutorial. Okay, so I'm done with the Android one. The iOS is still loading, but I'm only interested in the Android one for now. So I will just click here download. Just click download, or you can just scan it using the barcode, that's the QR code, to scan it, okay, and automatically it will download the app and install for your phone, okay. Or you can just download the app, the APK. So straight away I can click that, and as you can see, the download is ongoing. I hope you can see from here, it's ongoing now, and it's quite good. Now I'm going to show you how you can install this on your mobile app. So don't go, just wait. So we are done with that. So I'm going to show you how to install the app. Okay, so I've already added that on my phone. So I'll go to my file manager here, and let's go to app. Yes, I've added it twice. You can see that by mistake. So that's the app. Okay, now let me click on that to install, and installation is ongoing. I have to go to my Android settings to allow that. Okay, so let me go back again, and now I can see install here. Let me click on that, and it's ongoing. Okay, so I can scan to verify. Don't install the app. I will scan to verify. Okay, so it's successful. So okay, so the verification is okay. So right now I can click install, and it's ongoing. Okay, so I can now click, let me close it, let me click done, and let me go back, and let me go back here, and I can see that is the app. I hope you can see it is the app. So I can click on that to open the site, and the site is very, very responsive too. Let's see, it's still loading. Okay, so this is the application, and it fasts. I think it's still loading. Yes, it's perfect. Very nice, responsive one. And let's see, there's a website. Okay, so that is very simple. It's easy to do that. So to be honest, the site is very beautiful. It's very responsive. Let me go to the menu here. I can click that, select about page, and this is the about page. Wow, everything looks perfect. Okay, so this is a site. So far so good. If you like what you're seeing right now, then make sure you comment, leave a comment, and also don't forget to subscribe to this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because we have a lot of good stuff for you. So if you don't want to miss any of them, then subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.